guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this, what do you call it again? Do you call it again? Do you call it again? Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the BM-800 and the V8 sound card that was sponsored by Alpowl. Thank you Alpowl for sponsoring this BM-800 and V8 sound card. Now, let's get started. Okay, now we're going to unbox the BM-800 and the V8 sound card. While we're waiting me to finally find out the right way to open the box, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell to get updates on all of our videos. This is our pop filter. And over here we have the clamp for scissor arm. The clamp is to clamp onto the table and hold the scissor arm. And here we have the BM-800 condenser mic. This is the shock mount. This is the mic cable. This is the scissor arm mic holder. Now we have the USB cable and the USB audio adapter and the V8 Live sound card. And finally, the instructions manual and the thank you card. My mom already set it up, so now it's time to try it out. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can tell. Falling in love with you. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get more updates. Bye!